Picture this. A room full of people arguing, voices getting louder, and there's one person sitting quietly, barely reacting. Who do you think everyone starts noticing? Alan Watts believed that kind of unshakable calm isn't weakness, it's power. Let's break down why staying calm can make everyone else uncomfortable. In a good way. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of Alan Watts' most intriguing ideas, the paradox of calmness. In a world that rewards speed and noise, being unhurried can actually grab attention. We'll look at why calmness feels disruptive, how it influences people, and a few practical steps you can try after watching this video. Watts often said that tension is a sign of trying to control what can't be controlled. A calm person doesn't get pulled into that struggle, and that alone changes the dynamic. Think of a heated debate where one person refuses to raise their voice. That quiet steadiness forces others to notice their own agitation. It's not about dominating them. It's about showing there's another way to respond. Calmness isn't passive, it's active presence. Humans are wired to mirror each other's emotion. If we yell, we expect someone to yell back. But when you stay steady, it breaks that feedback loop. Watts described it as holding up a mirror. Other people suddenly see their own anxiety without a distraction. That's why a calm person in a stressful meeting can feel intimidating. It's not the silence itself that makes them nervous. It's realizing their panic isn't inevitable. So how do you get there? Watts borrowed from Zen teachings. You can't force calm. You allow it. Here are a few habits to try. Pause before reacting. Even one slow breath can change the tone of a conversation. Ask one clear question instead of arguing. It often diffuses the other person's tension. Detach from the need to win. The moment you stop trying to prove something, your voice naturally softens. Schedule silence. A few minutes without music, podcasts, or screens trains your mind to stay centered. Remember, calmness doesn't mean being emotionless. It's about noticing the wave of reaction and letting it pass without riding it. Alan Watts believed true calm is our natural state once we stop gripping so tightly at life. And in a world full of stress, your calm presence can feel like quiet rebellion. Try it. The next time things get heated, breathe, slow down, and watch how the room shifts. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Watts' philosophy and want more insights that help you think differently, hit like, subscribe, and check the notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next one.